I studied, but then I didn't study over the weekend, and so now I can't spread. So I'm taking it tomorrow.
Bro, this was basically Aiden. Where he's like at the end, he's like
this.
Can I take it tomorrow morning?
He was like this the whole time,
Okay.
just like waddling, being like, and then reading his script, and he was like just looking so. Because you want to know how much that's worth?
You should know to
That's
me.
worth 55% of your grade.
55%?
Yeah.
55 points or 55%?
No, you actually.
It's a lot.
Dang.
It's like 55. Point wise,
Yeah, what if you were just like
if you this is what happens if you fail it completely, which he did.
Oh my God.
Really?
You get, I believe, 3 letter grades now.
What the frick?
So nearly 30%.
Your brownies are
Dang.
low-key
If you do good on it, you go up by like 2, 3, 5%, which I'll be getting a 95. And then the final is just super easy. Yeah. I think all we're doing is like some speaking stuff. And then we're just chilling and ill and like Bob.
Oh my God.
Are you still working on your stopwatch?
Wait, so it's Baxter?
Yep.
Baxter is the one right?
Alright, here we go. Sit down.
Alright, bye bye.
What does she name? We have a group chat. And it's called. Wait, what'd you name it? I don't get it.
Because you all resemble a manatee?
Yeah. Big.
I think it's a great name. I was talking to the teacher. Alright, let's see who's not here. McKenna's out, Abby's out.
Oh my gosh, your grades are so
Carter's
good.
here. No Tiago?
I love how we were having a whole entire conversation and then Abby comes and responds with like 8 messages and then leaves.
I don't even think I should let you. Oh, you had like 3 weeks ago. Bro, I told you I was on that. I know, but then I thought about it. Wow.
What'd you get?
I think it was
Hey! Good job.
Patrick's here.
Yep.
Zach, hold on. Was that key? Okay.
Hey, here's
Alright, Julia, 1 second. Anthony and George.
Oh, snap.
What?
I took my dog on a walk. You want to see her?
This is in the 80s.
Go away.
Yeah.
I took her on a walk.
Leo, you're here. Okay.
So happy.
Okay, good job. See ya.
She's so funny.
You gotta leave them. We're gonna look at our test.
Yeah, I choose not.
I like that. What? I thought. I don't know.
I'm stuck outside.
That's
Is he gonna go over right now?
Hey.
Hey, where's Abby? So like we're
She
actually.
was here. I don't know what
Can someone like make sure she's okay? Go ahead outside.
Yeah, we won't be long.
Okay.
Alright, here, now you go here. You got the whole period, but when the bell rings, you're done. New version, we give you the same unit circle and the same half sheet. Okay. Alright, everyone. have your phones away. I'm gonna pass back your tests right now so we can go over these. Then you'll have the rest of the period to review. Colton, Alex. Okay. Jonah, Zach, Julian. 56.
When did you take that?
Let me set the poll in there. Let me find you a different spot. Patrick.
Thank you.
Mason. Zach.
Oh my god.
Victoria. 56. Juliet. Cecilia. Carter. Thank you. Gio. Georgia. Ashlyn. Gio. Leo. Zach P is out. Valeria. Yeah. Oh, you don't want to do certain? Yeah, I don't remember. I'll give you the whole thing if you want. There's only 2 problems you got full credit. Yeah. You do the whole thing. Yeah? Oh, you are here. Sorry. Were you not the rest? Here you go.
This will be our last final high school match.
No, it's out of 56. Valeria?
I hate the bubbles. I always
Yeah.
Zach said.
No, I have to do this every time. I don't think go to the number.
No.
and it takes so long.
No. Caleb's good. Oh, here.
Do you ever do comparisons where you have both the same thing?
Hold on, we'll go over it. Carolyn. Jonah.
Oh, maybe.
Mary Lou.
Really?
Angie.
That's good.
Iago's out. Ian. Saleh.
That's an 85.
Dude. House. Alright, so when I was grading on people, I thought the points were out of 58. They're actually only out of 56. So you probably have to subtract 2 from your scores to get the correct score. You can check Aries though also. If I were you, I would definitely add these up to make sure the scores are accurate. Alright, so 1 second. Here we go. This is version A, front side, to begin with. Couple different things here. I didn't really mark you down for rounding people, but you couldn't give me 20.6 and 39.3 because that doesn't add up to 180 degrees, right? So you either could do 39.4 or and 20.6 or 39.3 and 20.7. Number 2 looks like this. Should have been a law of cosine problems to start, and then you could do law of sines. Number 3, like that. People did better overall with 3 and 4 on this version than 1 and 2 because 1 and 2 were law of cosines, and people tend to struggle with that a little bit more. All right, the front side of B, people, is the same problems in a different order. So this was a law of sines problem to start. So on this version, people did better on the first 2 than they did on the last 2 for the most part. All right, here and here. Any questions on the front side? Okay, the back is the same. The top 5 through 8 are the same for both versions. So this is both versions, the back side 5 through 8. What you should have done here, people, what I did to do this one at least, the first step should have been to solve for this angle ACD would be just subtract 65 from 180. In a straight line, there's 180 degrees, not including the 90 and the 120, just where this angle meets right here. So 180 minus 65 is 115 for this angle. And then you could say in this triangle here, the ACD on the right, You could add up 115 and 20 and subtract it from 180 to get 45 for that angle. Once you know that angle, then you can set up a law of sines. Says sine of 45 over 15 is equal to sine of 115 over AD. That's this side, and solve that. Once you knew that, then you could set up another law of sines with the big triangle and use the whole angle here. Sine of 70 over this whole side I called x equals sine of 90 over this side. And then cross multiply, you get this answer, but you need to subtract the 15 that you started with. So that's how you get 3, or 3.04. All right, now this is the back of version A. So these are different with both versions. This is A. The mistakes here came mostly on number 10, people forgetting the plus or minus. Obviously, some people didn't have their unit circle down, so that threw them off. The only place that sine equals 1 is at 90. Here's version B, same sort of things. The issue on version B was this one. Cosine equals 1 at both 0 and 360, but our restriction says you can't include 0. So the only answer should have been 360. And then here, again, plus or minus, so you need to get 4 answers when you square root for that problem. General questions, people? Okay, if you have a question about yours, you can come up and see me. Let me know when I collect it so I can put it on top of the stack.
How is she not taking? I don't know why I think that. I think it's because I told you
Calls us off, looks at the answers. They just
That happens.
3.5. Solid.
one day.
Thank you.
You're not.
Thank you.
I'm just gonna go to the military.
What?
I'm confident.
You want to argue for points? Yeah, I want to do points of the rest. Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
I'm making mistakes in the app. I'm gonna go to the military.
She's actually not doing it. I think she would be like a black belt, and she would like be a karate star. Oh my gosh, I was watching Karate Kid or Cobra Kai, the last season. It's actually pretty good. The latest season of Cobra Kai. No, I did. Boy, you haven't watched it? The other one before that was like that.
Maybe a freak out. Yeah, you got it. And when I went over, we might have been making up.
Oh my gosh, she sings it too. Okay, but wasn't the one about Bobby like really accurate though too?
No questions enough.
Was the one about Bobby was really accurate.
He reminds me of like
No. Did you not see the mouse that I showed you? The mouse with the cooking hat on top?
You're wrong. You're like grasping at straws. You made one.
She gave me a 16 out of 70 on the math.
She did 100. Why did she get 100?
Oh.
She didn't like your artistic skills. Artistic. Aw.
He's
I'm office.
All right, people, you've got the rest of the period now to make up zeros, study, whatever you need help from me on, just ask me. It's your time to review for whatever you need.
that's how I see him in his kitchen cooking the brownies. That dog? I don't see it. She's
No,
not.
I remind myself.
You can't remind yourself of something. Georgia.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
I'm trying to take a screenshot of something. Hold on. I got time.
Yes. No, that was good.
What do I remind you guys of?
What do you remind you? The red bird.
Okay, I'm done.
Zach, did that answer your question there?
Or one of the hijackers.
Is it because I'm brown?
No one said that.
But the red bird has brown.
No.
Right, when you take a square.
You know what penguin? Yeah, I just got it.
Which one do you
Positive. These two would be negative. On the wall right behind you. Hey, Saleh.
How did you read that?
Georgia, what are you?
I'm watching my documentary right now. And I save all this for Wednesday.
Well, do you have any other good tests?
Not really. I have
So you're good.
for Friday, Thursday. I just have this and I just study. No, I'll already finish this like once I start studying.
We all
You
have
only
this.
Tomorrow I have that. The day after that.
Just giving school?
No, it's and then on Wednesday
Yeah.
it's psych and engineering.
Yes.
So I have to take psych,
Graduated early?
which I'm fine for, but I can't study. So something
What
and
do
then
you
I'll
mean?
study for this on Wednesday.
What do you mean you can't study? You can always study when you can't study. I never study.
Huh?
I mean, I always study.
English.
What if I do nothing?
Congrats, man. What are you doing? You start working or?
72.
No, there's like 16.
All right, man. Keep in touch. Finish strong.
I have to go until 36.
You're doing half of it?
You do need the video thing.
I can't go to it.
Around each week.
I have to study.
Yeah.
For it?
Why? Why?
It's just like one more day in this class left in the final.
I'm taking it in the morning tomorrow.
Yeah, I have that you were
It's
asking.
because I didn't study over the weekend. So.
You said you told him you did.
Oh, I did, or redo it. I'll give you.
No, I said I studied, but then I didn't study over the weekend, so then I forgot it all.
Same title.
She's a member of the school.
Yeah.
I do.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, let's see. You get
You
like,
guys are gonna miss the idea.
this one to this one would end up being like sine squared over cosine. And then.
Right there,
I'm definitely your best
She's
friend.
gonna post graduation. I'll be like, nope.
Apple tag, apple tag. I'm not finding you.
What?
And then this one to this one would just.
I'll take a picture of you.
And this one.
I'm kidding. But Georgia actually may not.
I'm actually talking about graduation.
Yeah, so then from there.
One less thing we gotta worry about.
He is.
I'm kidding.
He's
Like make this.
making up for Abby being gone, bruh.
But not.
We put those two together. That's gonna be 1 over cosine. Those two together is gonna be plus 1 over sine. 1 over cosine.
Yes. Georgia.
Got it. Okay, thank you. You probably have it. No worries. Okay.
I'm having a hard time with this.
What's that? I think it's on the corner over here. What is that shirt actually? Actually, what is the shirt? You a butterfly butt? You want me a butterfly? Oh, no, it's the whole bunch. The whole bunch.
That's number one.
Interesting. Never seen that shirt before.
Yeah.
That's number one.
Get that.
Make sure it's you should be secret.
Oh, I got that.
No, I already gave you this.
What?
You won't be able to do it. That's the last time I gave you my picture.
What's that? Oh, I know. Pretty cool.